Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.